Let's make a lemon-inspired pizza pan. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so we start with a pizza pan from Dollar Tree. I take off the paper and I flip it over. I wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol, and then I'm painting mine with some just basic white chalk paint. You don't have to paint it, I suppose, but I wanted to. And I also used a dauber so we didn't see all of the brush strokes. Let it dry. Once it's dry, I'm using this screen. It's like a splatter screen from Dollar Tree, and I have a placemat from Dollar Tree, and I'm using that screen as a guide so that we can cut out just the center of this placemat. Now, this placemat is a 2-ply situation, so I cut out just the first top part, and we'll save the blue part for maybe a messy bow or something later down the road. So here it is. So then I take some Mod Podge. This is just a basic matte Mod Podge, and cover our pizza pan, and then we're going to let it dry. I used my heat gun to dry mine faster. You don't have to. And then once it's dry, I put our placemat that we cut out, I put that on it. Then I have some parchment paper, and I'm going to iron on the placemat onto the pizza pan. This way we don't get wrinkles and it doesn't pucker. It works like a dream. If you haven't used this method, it's perfect. Look at it, just stuck on there. It's awesome. All right. So then I'm going to pop some holes with my Crop-A-Dile. Got that at Michael's. I put a couple for a hanger, and then I'm just using some thick jute and knotting it on each end. Cut off the excess. Now we have a hanger. Now you could stop right there, but we won't. Now, if you have been on my page for any amount of time, you would have seen we did we made this garland. This garland they were eggs. I had gotten it in a mystery box from Michael's. So now we're going to glue it. So I made all of those eggs. I turned them into lemons, and I'm so excited about it. So now we're going to glue this all the way around, and I'm just using hot glue. I'm using quite a bit of it. So when I put the glue on, I do use my protected finger to hold it on there so that it actually adheres. And I do that all the way around my pizza pan. Now, I did alter this garland just a little bit more. Like, see those long leaves? I actually cut many of those off because I felt like it was distracting, and it took away from them looking like lemons. So I did actually remove some of those, and you'll see that's what I'm doing right here. And I added some more of the what's it called? The faux leaves. I added more of those to make the eggs look even more like lemons, which I am so there for it. It's not even funny. I don't know about you. I am so obsessed with lemons. I love anything lemon flavored. I love anything lemon decor stuff. Like it's just so refreshing and bright and happy. And I swear, if I were a fruit, I think I would be a lemon. Because I'm a little sour sometimes too. No, I'm not. I'm never bitter. It's fine. That's enough. Anyway, so you'll see here, I'm just adding those. And the faux leaves that I'm using came from another thing I had gotten in that Michael's thing that was the clearance item. So it was like a rose thing. But look at how pretty this is. Are you kidding me? Do not tell me those don't look like lemons, because I won't believe you. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.